Of our five senses, sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch, touch is the first to develop within a human fetus at 8 weeks. Touch is so crucial to a baby's development that its absence in the early stages of life can lead to a host of emotional problems such as depression, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder, but also physical ailments such as weakened immune systems and other skin problems. Even as mature adults, touch has profound effects upon us. As our largest organ, our skin serves as the means of receiving love and emotional support. When we are touched, our brains release a beautiful blend of hormones such as oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin, hormones that make us feel connected, good, and happy. At the same time, touch reduces the hormones associated with stress and anxiety. Healthy, consented human touch is healing for our body and our brain. Deprived of it, we are unable to thrive. Jesus, sensing this human need in his ministry, often touched those whom society considered to be untouchable, that he might not only heal the body, but also the heart. In Mark chapter 1, verses 40 to 42, we read of a leper that mustered the courage to come to Jesus. In ancient times, lepers with such a contagious skin condition would make anyone who touched them unclean ceremonially and an outcast, denying them human touch for months or even years. Despite these stigmas, Jesus went beyond making him clean of his leprosy, but stretched out his hand and touched the man. Immediately, this man not only felt whole of his disease, but he felt comforted, accepted, and connected to Jesus. Jesus' miracle did not require touch, but the human soul did to be fully whole. The soul was designed to experience the benefits of healthy, appropriate touch. Appropriate touch is given by asking for permission first. Our souls thrive upon forms of touch like hugging, pats on the back, and an arm around the shoulder. So do not be shy to ask for hugs from those you love and feel safe with. Family therapist Virginia Sater once said, "We need 4 hugs a day for survival. We need 8 hugs a day for maintenance. We need 12 hugs a day for growth." While such an aim seems effortless with infants and little children, as they age, the need does not decrease, but becomes more meaningful. Though teenagers may not express it, they are just as much in need of hugs as when they were toddlers. As we go even further in age, the hug of our spouse, close cousins, or a dear colleague can make or break our days. And finally, let us also not forget our elderly either. Many times they go for weeks without any human embrace or contact. For our touch to be healing, we don't need to be God, just human. So as the old saying goes, let us reach out and touch someone.